In this video, we're going to be talking about UFO gaming. We're going to be analyzing the price of UFO gaming, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action, as well as I will check on the Twitter page to see what's been going on, to see if we've had any news or updates. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into UFO gaming, please do your own research as a non-financial advisor. So as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, UFO gaming is currently down 3.15% at the time of recording. You can see here on the daily chart, you can pretty much see that price was consolidating, and we did have the initial rise towards upside. I feel like we pretty much just liquidated all of these previous equal highs essentially, and then from then onwards pretty much made a little distribution schematic, which therefore led price towards the downside. I feel like this also could have occurred due to Bitcoin also being bearish on the daily. So yeah, I feel like Bitcoin does have a huge impact on these small coins. If you check on the weekly to see how UFO gaming has been doing, you can see here that UFO gaming did tap up into the green region, and then from then onwards we pretty much became bearish again, pretty much back to where we were at the middle of the week essentially. And it's looking bearish on the weekly as well, even though we had a really strong accumulation schematic. By the looks of it, price is still continue to become bearish. If we check the monthly to see how UFO gaming is still bearish. Even though we were trying to make a little accumulation schematic, the price failed on the sign of weakness region. So yeah, you can see here that this would have been the selling climax, the secondary test, the spring, the retest, and then this would have been the sign of weakness. But then from then onwards, we didn't respect any of the demand zones around this region, which therefore caused price to come back lower. So if you go over to trading views to see what has been going on with UFO gaming, there's nothing major apart from on the daily candle. We've had a huge bear candle occur, and it looks like we pretty much not respected this demand zone either. If you drop into the 4 hour, possibly to even see what's occurred, yeah. So pretty much, I feel like the next target for UFO gaming would possibly be this region. Essentially, if we check on the weekly, yeah, this would possibly be my next target. The main reason for this is this was the last bearish candle that caused the initial pump towards upside, and pretty much having the new pretty much what the candle that initially caused this overall bull trend essentially, or whatever you want to call it. So we could possibly see UFO gaming becoming even more bearish. So good luck to the people who are inside it. So if you go over to their Twitter page to see what's been going on, you can pretty much see that they've almost got 150k followers, and pretty much they've not updated anything recently. The last tweet was on the 16th of March, according to Ace will talk at the new Flores launchpad in 2 hours. So pretty much nothing major, just giving us updates and stuff. The sneak peek of the Super Galactic. Are you ready to earn UAP while actually having fun? Super Galactic is closing in. Super Galactic will mark the beginning of the UFO gaming platform. So we're just gonna have to wait and see on how well this UFO gaming, pretty much the Super Galactic platform is. And pretty much, if it is a huge success, now I feel like price could definitely even 10x possibly, but it just depends on the game and how well it is, and if people even like it essentially. So if you go back over to the overall market, let's quickly check on the overall market, how the overall market is doing. So you can see the global crypto market cap is about 1.81 trillion. We're still below the 2 trillion mark, and the overall market is down 0.41%. It's pretty much not looking good for UFO gaming. Even when Bitcoin was bullish, UFO gaming wasn't that bullish compared to the other coins. If we do check Bitcoin to see how Bitcoin has been performing, so you pretty much see that Bitcoin is starting is pretty much bearish, essentially making lower highs, lower lows, but I feel like it's just pretty much creating liquidity. So hopefully we should have another bull run for Bitcoin, and then therefore UFO gaming can also have a little rise in price as well. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.